going to do my review today. So I traded Snow, looking for a gap give and go, which it didn't quite give me. I was looking at 125 for my target area for the prior resistance area. It immediately went up into 124 and then failed, so wasn't really able to give me, multi-bars and then fail or something like that. Close into the 125, so I didn't get involved, and then I got involved for the opening range break. So here just had my stop. I just entered on the opening range break with stop just above these wicks, and I add small size here, and then it comes in retest, and then pushes lower. So I took this as a second chance. And so I added to my position here. Starts to consolidate, and then comes in, knocks me out here, which is fine. Comes up and touches VWAP, and then immediately fails. So after that touch of VWAP, I tried to enter again on this candle, but so it's on SSR and I'm on a slow connection, and I wasn't able to get filled. So I was going to take this one as a second chance on a little bit lower risk than I would for a full VWAP continuation, since we never really got that extension on the selling through the opening range break. And so, yeah, I just wasn't able to get filled on it. It did work out fairly nicely. Didn't have like a crazy sell-off or anything, but it worked decently. Just not able to get filled. So this is fortunately my last day on the connection I'm currently using, internet connection. I only have about 12 down right now and about 1 up, so pretty slow internet. I am going to be trading on a hotspot for the next 2 weeks out of Spain, and so I'm assuming my connection is going to be a little bit faster. Hopefully, like I can find a 5G card or something like that. Maybe get, I don't know, 30 or something down. So anyway, joys of traveling while trading. The only other thing I was watching today was Nvidia. It did put in a decent opening range break that I could have second chanced off of this big wick here. But I mean, it didn't really sell that much. It's just choppy in general, so I didn't take it. So I think selectivity was good today. I think this was a pretty decent opportunity. Just got stopped on my first attempt and wasn't able to get filled on the second attempt. So good day today. All right, so this morning, not a lot going on as well. That seems to be the theme for the summer. I am looking at Snow, had earnings, gapping down about 9% right now. Looking for a gap give and go for a bounce up into this 125 resistance area. And then the only other thing I'm looking at is M for day 2. Traded it yesterday. It sold off a bit yesterday. Was able to reclaim VWAP, but still holding the bottom of its gap down. So I think if we get a flush down through 1530, sorry, not a flush, but a consolidation, maybe sets up for an opening range break for a break of 15 to go lower, or maybe a view up continuation. So just keeping that one on watch. But the only fresh news I have today is Snow. Likely will be another pretty slow day for me. I'm also going to keep Nvidia on watch. The market does seem like it wants to go a little bit higher. Nvidia has been consolidating for a few days now, putting in a really tight range after a really big move up. And we are close to the all-time high areas, although we are kind of overextended at the moment. But we might get a pretty clean opening range break over this level. So just kind of keeping Nvidia on watch today. I don't like how it came right down into it. Just take this short here, small size. For an opening range break, not really getting that volume. So a little bit of volume, but it's not really going down as much as I would expect. So this pops right back up. 1. All right, second chance set up. And we hit this at 20. $120. Held at 120. Still holding 120. Coming into the 90 MA. And I think I'm going to add more for this 90 MA break if we get it all through 120. We do have PM ideas coming out in 2 minutes, so not sure if snow is going to react with the market, but get stopped out here anyway. Nothing I really like. Snows. Could take this as something else, but I feel like it's not. Yeah, I didn't get filled there. It's a little unfortunate, but that's what happens. Didn't really get a lot of volume with the opening range breaks. Comes back, consolidates, test VWAP, and then fail. It wasn't a very good VWAP continuation, so I didn't want to take it with that much risk, but did resolve.